Hey there, nature lovers. Today, we're going to talk about the beauty of loving nature and how it can enrich our lives. You know that feeling when you're out in nature, surrounded by the sounds of the forest, the rustle of leaves, and the gentle flow of a river? That's the magic of nature. And it's about connecting with the world around us in a meaningful way. It's about finding peace in the simplest things, like the beauty of a sunset or the rustle of leaves. Nature teaches us patience, reminds us of the beauty in simplicity, and nurtures a sense of gratitude. Whether it's a walk in the park or simply pausing to listen to birdsong, these moments in nature allow us to reconnect with ourselves and find calm amidst the chaos of life. So, let's embrace nature and all its wonders. Thank you for joining me in this discussion. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more inspiring content. Stay connected with nature and stay connected with us.